Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abang Magnet. In this video, I wanna show you how to fix the problem in Golang when I typing in CMD. You can see this first, go space env, and this is the problem. Alright, by the way, this is my first content when I using English. And then I'm so sorry if my English so worse. And then how to fix it? We just need a simple step. You must go to environment variables, and here we go. This is environment variable. Okay, click, choose go path, edit, and then add dollar symbol. Alright, like this. Okay, and close, refresh, open CMD again, typing again, go space env, and here we go. This problem is solved. Thanks for watching.